Georgia's highest court will not hear an appeal from a man scheduled to be executed next week. Ray Jefferson Cromartie is scheduled to die on Wednesday. He was scheduled a sentence for killing a convenience store clerk in Thomasville in 1994. Last year, his lawyers asked a judge to order DNA testing on some of the evidence in the case, hoping the testing would show the convicted man did not shoot the clerk. However, the state Supreme Court announced it will not intervene.